Welcome! In front of me is a OnePlus 10 Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now this will also remove a screen lock if you have one that you just don't know. So I'm going to quickly lock the device, and you should be able to see that I do have a pattern set right here, and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't know it. So let's hold power key and then select power off. Once the phone turns off, you want to hold power key and volume down at the same time. Now when you see the OnePlus logo, let go of the power key and keep holding volume down. So after a moment you should see the language selection. From here all you need to do is select English and then wipe data. As you can see, we have some kind of please enter a verification code. This is just some randomly generated code right here that you need to type it in. So for me it's 2197. Now every time you actually access this area here, it changes. So keep that in mind. So anyway, from here let's tap on format data, format. This will begin the process. Now at this stage it only takes a couple seconds, so there we go, it's already finished. Click on OK, and this will reboot the device automatically. So this probably will take about like minutes to 2 minutes to finish up, and once it has, we should be presented with the setup screen of our device. So I'll be back once I can see that. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.